If you're on Facebook Lite application and you want to create a new Facebook account, you have got the right video. Make sure to follow all the steps to create a new account on Facebook Lite. So first of all, open the Facebook Lite application and you'll be able to find this sort of interface. Now you'll have to click on create new account on the bottom because we want to create a new one. Click on it. It will take some time to load and then you'll have to click on get started and it will ask you to enter your name and I will enter the name of my channel like this. Hit next. Now it's saying that you must enter the name of a person, so I will enter a random name like this. After that, click on next and it will take you to a new page where you'll have to select your date of birth. Now I will make sure that you are above 18 years old so that you will be able to create a new account. Then hit set and then hit next. And then you can select your gender, male or female, then hit next again. And it will ask you to enter your mobile number. But in my case, I want to sign up with an email. If you want to sign up with a mobile number or phone number, you can simply do that. But I want to sign up with email address, so I will click on it. Then it will ask you to enter your email address. I'll enter my email address and then hit next. And then it will ask me to enter a password for my newly created Facebook account. And I will select a password. Then hit next. Make sure that you include special character and numbers. Then click on save and then hit save again if you want to. Then click on I agree and it will take some time to load. As you can see, our Facebook account is created and at the last it will ask you to enter a 5-digit code that you
अपने
have received
अकाउंट
on
की
your
तस्दीक
email
करने के लिए
and
इस
I will
स्क्रीन पर
get the
अपने
code
ईमेल से
from Gmail
कोड दर्ज
account.
करें।
So guys, I received my code within 5 seconds and I will enter the code right here and hit OK. As you can see, my account is created right now. I will skip the profile picture and other things and let's skip it again. Now you can see my account is created. So that's how you can easily create a new Facebook account on Facebook Lite application. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.